Welcome to our next generation creative LED fixtures, the exterior Dot-1 Pro, 4 Pro and 9 Pro. So why do we bring these new products to the market? First of all, the dots are based on an RGBW chip and features our color boost technology for high brightness at any color combination. Secondly, the exterior Dot Pro family is backed up by a smart infrastructure which is simpler to configure and provides more flexibility to design cost-effective system solutions. Thirdly, the exterior Dot Pro family offers multiple control options, allowing the integrator to choose his favorite way of building up a control system. And of course, the exterior Dot Pro family is fully outdoor rated, designed for permanent installations for outdoor or indoor use. Let's talk about the different dot solutions. As you can see, we have 3 different sizes. It really allows the specifier to choose the right product for the right application, depending on brightness required, number of dots required, and of course, on the budget of the project. For the Dot-1, you can specify up to 100 dots on a string. The Dot-4, you can have up to 64 dots on a string. And on the Dot-9, you can have up to 36 dots on a string. You can also specify the pixel pitch or the dot-to-dot distance. It can be anywhere from around 10 cm up to 2 meter between each dot. You can also specify the length of the lead-in cable. It can be all the way up to 5 meter. We even have an active lead-in cable extender that gives a total of 10 meter between the first dot and the feeder, providing more flexibility where to place the feeder. You have different options for the look of the product. The first option is the clear front. Second option would be the diffused dome, which provides a more soft look and a wider viewing angle. Third option is the glare shield. The glare shield can be mounted in 8 angular positions and reduces glare from one direction. The accessories are available in the grey color or available in a black color. Let's look at the different possibilities how to mount the product. We have 2 options available. The first one is the mounting bracket. The mounting bracket provides a lot of flexibility how and where to mount the product. Once the mounting bracket is installed, it's very easy to snap in the dot into the bracket. The other option is the aluminium profile. Once the dots are installed in the profile, you take the aluminium lid, you take a fine cutter, and you cut the lid in the length of the pixel pitch. You can also use the aluminium profile together with the diffused dome or together with the glare shield. And all in all, it gives a nice integrated solution where also the cables are fully concealed into the aluminium profile. Let's talk about the color performance. The exterior Dot Pro family follows the same design principles as the exterior Was Pro and exterior Linear Pro family. It means that the dots are fully color calibrated at the factory, providing superior color consistency from dot to dot. On top of that, it also provides the user a dedicated color temperature control channel where the color temperature can be set in 50 Kelvin steps precisely following the black body curve. We also have the color boost technology implemented in the exterior Dot Pro family. The color boost technology means that we get very high brightness on mixed colors and on saturated colors. In fact, we get up to 4 to 8 times more output compared to traditional RGB based systems. So how do we bring the exterior Dot Pro strings alive? We have 2 feeder solutions. We have the Martin exterior AC feeder. It comes with a power supply. You remove the lid and you simply connect line voltage and you connect Ethernet. You can choose to daisy chain the line voltage to the next AC feeder, and you can also daisy chain the Ethernet. On the output side, you connect the strings to the hybrid connector. The second option is the exterior DC feeder. The DC feeder comes as a fully sealed system component. It has DCE connectors, so it connects to the new Martin P3 power ports. The new Martin P3 power ports has a higher capacity power supply, so you can connect even more strings in a daisy chain. On the output side, you have the connector to the dots, to the strings, and very important, you're now allowed to disconnect and connect with power. They are hot pluggable or hot swappable, so you cannot damage either the feeder or the strings themselves. Since we have so much brightness out of the dots, we have even implemented a half power mode for both the exterior AC feeder and exterior DC feeder, meaning you can choose to run the fixtures in half power. When using this mode, you can connect more feeders in a daisy chain and more strings in a daisy chain, and by that reducing the overall system cost. Detailed information how to specify the exterior Dot-Pro strings and how to build up a complete system using the feeders can be found in the system diagrams available for download on the product pages. The exterior Dot-Pro family simplifies control by integrating industry standard protocols like ArtNet and streaming ACN. You can also choose to use the Martin P3 video protocol, and you can even program directly into the feeders standalone programming. You can have up to 20 scenes programmed in an endless loop. As soon as the fixtures are powered up, they will run the standalone program. Using the inbuilt effect macros, you can on one static scene create some quite stunning looks. Like the other products in the Exterior Pro range, the Exterior Dot-Pro family meets a lot of strict environmental standards. The dots are IP67 rated, they are IK08 vandalism rated, and they also meet the C5 corrosion standard. On top of that, they are backed up by a 5-year warranty. So there you have it, the Exterior Dot-1 Pro, 4 Pro and 9 Pro. This new family sets a new standard in creative LED solutions with high brightness, flexible infrastructure and multiple control options.